Following your prep and base application, we're going to be starting with 2 layers of Evo's Whitney, curing for 30 seconds between each layer. Next, apply a layer of soft gel, but do not cure at this stage. For our watercolours, we're going to be using Diana, Rhiannon, Mariana and Muriel for a really bold, colourful design. Pick up a small amount of colour on your brush and blend it into the wet soft gel, creating your watercolour effect. Repeat this with each colour, slightly blending each into the other. Once this is cured for 30 seconds, apply another thin layer of soft gel and cure. If you want to add some sparkle to your watercolour design, you can cut some small pieces of Essence confetti foil and press these onto the nail in a frame design. Then add a few very small pieces using light pressure to the centre of the nail. To finish, apply a thin layer of Evo Gloss top coat. For more nail art designs, check out our Nailspiration playlist, and don't forget to subscribe to Renew Beauty.